Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project counting small items using edge impulse, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps you develop an automated system to detect, classify, sort, and count objects. The objective of this project is to create a cost-effective device that works as a factory automation system. Object classifications are easily achieved using edge impulse models. The components used to develop this project are a Raspberry Pi 4 over which the system will run, an RPI camera module to collect images of the objects from various angles to create a database. In our case, the objects are buttons, a 18GB SD card to store images, an HDMI display to display the QR code for testing and running the ML model. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is our setup. Show the buttons to the camera. On identifying the button, the number of buttons is displayed on the output terminal. Interested in developing your own counting small items using Edge Impulse project? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.